Have you ever been camping and wished you could have a smoothie or a shake? With this portable blender, you can. The jar is made from food-grade Titan, and it has measurements on the side. There are 6-point stainless steel blades. There's a clockwise button, an anti-clockwise button, the USB charging port on the bottom, and an anti-slip silicone ring. The food-grade Triton jar with measurements has a strap and a handle for carrying. Cut fruits into small pieces before adding into the blender to fill about 60% of the jar. Add some drinkable liquid until it reaches 80% of jar capacity. Tighten the lid and tilt down the blender to make sure the fruit pieces are not stuck under the blades. Press upper button twice to go clockwise and lower button twice to go anti-clockwise. Press once to stop. Blender will convert the blend mode and change spinning direction automatically if blades get stuck. Shake can be drank straight out of the jar or replace the bottom lid and take with you. This little blender is shockingly powerful. Shakes and smoothies come out so smooth and creamy. Jar and blade can be easily cleaned by adding water, a few drops of soap, blending, and then rinse until clean. Do not place this blender in the dishwasher. Finally, a blender for hiking, camping, hunting, fishing, tailgating, picnicking, or anywhere else on the go. Click the link and grab one before they're gone.